Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today, we are here at the National Museum of the Philippines, Davao, to explore and see what this place has to offer. It's really interesting, especially if you love history and culture. There are so many artifacts and artworks that show how rich our heritage is. Plus, the setup looks amazing, perfect for learning and just enjoying the place. So, join me as we check out the best spots inside. As you enter the National Museum of the Philippines, Davao, you will see artworks by talented Dabawenyo artists, showcasing the region's deep connection to history, tradition, and artistic expression. On the second floor, you'll find exhibitions that highlight the natural beauty of the Davao region. From its geological history to its diverse flora and fauna, this floor showcases the forests, mountains, and rich biodiversity that make Davao unique. One of the main highlights here is the Philippine Eagle installation, a tribute to the country's national bird and an important symbol of Davao's wildlife heritage. This exhibit reminds us of the importance of the conservation and protecting our environment for future generations. The Davao Gulf is known for its highly diverse whale and dolphin sightings. Here in the second floor, you'll find the exhibit Meet the Stegodon, featuring a replica of a stegodon, an extinct relative of modern elephants that once roamed Mindanao. Stegodons were known for their long, straight tusks and ridged molars, perfect for their herbivorous diet. Fossils of these ancient creatures give us a glimpse into Mindanao's prehistoric wildlife and environment, showing how the region's landscape has evolved over time. Here, at the Pambansang Museo ng Pilipinas dito sa Davao, visitors can explore an exhibit featuring a replica of Rafflesia, the world's largest flower which is native to the Philippines. Here on the third floor, you'll find exhibits that explore the traditional life, rituals, and archaeological heritage of Davao. This section highlights the rich cultural expressions of the Lumads, Moros, and migrant settlers, showing how the region's landscapes and waterways shaped their daily lives, trade, and even conflicts. One of the most intriguing parts of this floor is the exhibit on ancient death-related practices, giving us a deeper understanding of how different indigenous groups viewed their afterlife and honored their ancestors. Here on the fourth floor, you'll find exhibits dedicated to local artistry and craftsmanship. A major highlight is the textile exhibition, showcasing the traditional clothing of Mindanao's indigenous and cultural communities. This exhibit also honors the manlilikha ng bayan or national living treasures who have preserved and passed down their weaving traditions. Another must-see in this floor is the special exhibition on Ang Kiukok, a Davao-born national artist known for his bold and expressive artworks that made a lasting impact on Philippine modern art. And that wraps up our tour of the National Museum of the Philippines, Davao, o Pambansang Museo ng Pilipinas sa Davao. This place is truly a treasure trove of history, culture, and art, giving us a deeper appreciation of our heritage. If you haven't been here yet, I highly recommend visiting and experiencing it for yourself. Let me know in the comments which exhibit you found the most interesting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel and exploration content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next vlog.